heard the news, and if the news is true, and you are in need of a new home as far as that MLM, which is multi-level marketing company. If you're looking for a multi-level company to actually join and be a part of, my name is Roy Lee Campbell. I'm shooting this video in the comfort of my own home office. It's not I don't know how, to me it's the best. It's very comfortable. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make, if you're looking for a MLM, a multi-level marketing company, network marketing company, definitely you actually want to contact me, okay? Because I specialize in integrity. I specialize in actually, phone calls, showing up to you get together, you're looking for a mentorship, you're looking for someone that with honesty. I'm the guy. So, and there's tons of other reps out there, tons of other independent reps out there just like me. So what makes me stand out is that look at this face. Look at this face. Come on, really. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to show a whole bunch of money, I ain't going to show, hype you up, I don't have a whole bunch of jewelry on, just look at this face, really. So if you're looking, if something happened, your MLM company is for whatever reason is no longer there, your upline for whatever reason is not giving you the time you need to help you achieve whatever the problem is, contact me. Be placing my phone number right there. There it is. So contact me, give me a phone call. And if you don't want to talk to me right now because I'm a stranger, you don't need, you just want to just kind of get some information and research me and do some background, then I'm gonna put my website up right there, and then you could just go through the website and do the little, the hermit thing behind the scenes and kind of snoop around and then find out who I am. Look me up on Facebook, LinkedIn, all that kind of stuff, and do your due diligence. And then get with me, okay? Because I actually am here to help you, all right? So there it is. There you have it. Roy Lee Campbell, president and founder of Now 001. And I just wanted to let you know my arms are open. And the number you should call. Thank you.